It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop. I'm creating the ambiance for our hot cocoa and hot apple cider party. I'm super excited. We're going to tell some Native American stories that we have drawn out and got from the Navajo tribe, that alphabet. I don't know if you remember. So we're all going to do that and sip some hot cocoa and cider. I'm super excited. Wish it could be a real fire. So normally it would be a real fire. We take the 5th graders on a camping trip every year and it's really fun, but with all the restrictions, we can't do that. But we usually tell our stories around the fire, and I was really excited to do that, but this is okay. We're still gonna be in good spirits. Here's our little hot cocoa bar setup. So I have some cups here. I have hot cocoa with marshmallows. I have some stir straws. I have some spiced apple cider. I have some hot water that's gonna go in there, as well as some hot cocoa with, oh man, there's marshmallows in this. Well, I meant to get the no marshmallows. That's okay. They can pick them out. There goes the bell. Oh, that was loud today. All right, so there's that. This is ready. And then here's our story cloths. We're gonna tell our stories. The kids are excited a lot. Really want to act theirs out, so that should be interesting, but I think it's pretty cool. And yeah. We have a lot of awesome storytellers in this class. I think the kids are really gonna have a good time with this. Yay! I have a little break. I'm making some wrapping paper quick. So I have this like off colored kind of flexible paper. Then I have a tree and a star, but if you were to do this with kids, you could actually carve this out of a potato, a star and a tree, and then dip it in the paint and do the wrapping paper. It's super fun to do with kids. I don't know if I'll be doing it with the toddlers, but I am excited. It's gonna turn out really cool and I'll show you how it comes out. I like to do this every year so we don't have to buy wrapping paper. At a weird angle and my tripod keeps slipping, so I'm going to show you my hands. I'm going to do some tie-dye wrapping paper too. You just get these cloth paper towels. I think they're from Brawny, but you don't want to take them apart. Just get as much as you need here, and you could use regular dye or you could use the marker dye that we did the other day. So I'm going to fold it in half. You could also use fabric, but these paper towels are, they make this really cool effect that I like. And you fold in half again. And then for those of you that remember it, I sure do. The kids don't, my students now don't know, but a flag fold. So you just go down and kind of triangle it, or if you played paper football as a kid, I always say. So this is just one fold. It's technically a shibori fold, but we're gonna call it a flag fold. I'm just going to pinch it together and then I'll dip it in the dye. I'll be right back. Red and green, of course, because we celebrate Christmas, but you could do whatever you wanted. So I'm gonna dip each one in the corner here, and I'm gonna just kinda take the color out. So it looks like that. Looks a little bloody. Oh, I cracked myself up. And then this is gonna go in the other corner. And then, let's see, I might add just a little bit more green to the top and then some red to the bottom. Kind of have this color, and then you unfold it and let it dry. So I'll show you what it looks like unfolded. I always love doing this with the students. They get like super excited when you unfold tie-dyes. I mean, why wouldn't you? Oh man, all right. I'm nervous some of you are gonna start seeing how strange I am and leave me. Please stay with me, I'm not that strange. Right. Oh yeah. Super cool. And I'm gonna try and go thrifting this week, take you with me so we can see what kind of gifts we can get for the kids. But here it is. Super cool. I'm gonna do another fold so I can show you some different ones. I don't think this is technically a shibori fold, but I think it's more of a tie-dye thing. So you take it from the center here and then pull it down and you just spin it. And this one, and again, you're just holding these together. Might do some blue and purple with this one. I'll show you how it comes out. I'm not going to bring these over. I'm just going to dip it quick and I'll be right back. All right, I have blue, purple, and yellow in there. Of course, the blue mixes with yellow and you get green. So you might get some green in here too. But yeah, it's just an alternative, I don't know, to wrapping paper. I do it every year. Just think it's fun. And when these dry, you can sew them together. These paper towels are awesome. They're expensive paper towels is what they are. And by expensive, I mean more than $1. All right, so this one kind of peeled off. That'll just be for a small present, but yay. Super cool. I love doing stuff like this. All right, well, I hope this was informative. I'm gonna do a few more and I'll show you the end result. Let me pick you up here. But yeah, we like to get creative during the holidays. So like I said, I hope that was informative. And if you wanna see any other creative projects like this on a budget that are fun and unique, let me know and I can do more. Okay, I'm back. One more craft because I forgot about this one. This is a generic magic eraser. You can get them in a bunch of packs. My hands are dyed, sorry. But I'm going to make a one-handed tree quick. Nope, gonna put you down, I'll be right back. All right, so I drew a tree as best as I could. I'm gonna cut it out and then this is gonna be a stamp. So this is another way you could do it. Or like I said, you could do a potato, but just a fun little craft for kids if you're home, or if you just want to do it on your own, that's fun too. Okay, I have my shape, and I'm gonna dunk it in the paint. Oh. If you're more of a perfectionist, definitely do this in your way, but you know. Look at that. So cute. I'm gonna go all the way down. Head out and get the kids. I made Wilder this star, so I kind of want to see his reaction. He told me that our Christmas tree doesn't have a star on top like Pumpkin Jack's, which is Jack Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas. I had the horseshoe and thought it would be fun, but he really wants a star. He wanted a blue one, so I just like knit him one. And I just, well, not knit, I just stitched it into that burlap, and I think he'll like it because it's soft and he loves like textures like that. So we'll see his reaction when I go get him. And I saw that Delilah has an incident report. Someone bit her finger. I'm just like not ready for the incident reports because she's like 1.5 years. So I hope she's okay. I'm sure she's fine, but Close your eyes. Are you ready for the surprise? Okay, hold your hand out. What's that?
It's a twinkle.
What? A twinkle?
I have a bunch of prizes in the car.
Yeah, that's a twinkle for the top of the tree, like Pumpkin Jack. What do you think? Do you like it? Oh, buddy. Want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I saw it.
You're going to hold it? All right. Let's go home.
Christmas is coming.
We've done the bedtime routine, laundry is done, and now I'm starting on a little dinner for me and a meal prep. I am back on the starch solution every now and again. So I've done that in the past. I will leave a link below to some of my favorite channels, but I have about 1.5 cups of pasta. I have the protein blend, California style from Whole Foods. I absolutely love this one. And then I'm gonna do a 1/2 jar of the ragu simply. Mix it all together with onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of salt and pepper, and call it good to go. I am going to take half for lunch tomorrow, and I feel like these vlogs is helping me with my brain fog because it is like forcing me to get my lunch together, put it in the refrigerator, and then pack it for later. So I'm happy that it's helping, because as a mother of 2 and a teacher and just a human, I am just having trouble remembering everything.
Christmas is coming, roasting some chestnuts on the fire.
I was able to take some time for myself here and wash my hair tonight. I am going to just leave it damp and braid it. I am not the best braider. I don't know who I learned to braid from. Probably my mom. She taught me a lot of things. But yeah, I'm just going to braid it down the sides here, and then you see how it comes out kind of fluffy. I do have some hair oil in here, and then I am using that Trader Joe's, I think it's called marula oil. It's not the maracuja oil. It's the marula. But I use that and my jade roller to put on my face. I'm going to cozy up here and talk to you on YouTube. I love answering comments and just sitting down with some hot tea. I really look forward to that at the end of my nights. So I'm going to do that, and I am going to end the vlog there. So I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I'm sorry about this Q&A. I don't know what is going on. I filmed it on my good camera, and I'm having a really hard time trying to get it off. So enjoy these vlogs until the Q&A comes. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and I will see you later. Bye, everyone.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me